Hi everyone, this video will show you how to deposit BNC using an EVM address and perform liquid staking for BNC. First, open the Bifrost app, click on the account in the top right corner, and copy your mapped Bifrost address. Next, choose the exchange from which you want to withdraw BNC. Here, I'll use Gate as an example. Select Withdraw, choose BNC, and paste the mapped Bifrost address. Then click Bifrost Polkadot Network. Enter your password. After initiating the withdrawal, return to the Bifrost Dapp. Once the BNC has been credited, check your BNC balance in the wallet. Then, go to EV Staking and select EV BNC. Enter the amount of BNC you wish to stake and click Stake. Complete the on-chain signature and confirmation. Finally, you can check your staking status under My Staking at the top. Hope you have an enjoyable BNC staking experience using your EVM address.